Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your room number and that the card or mobile key is active. This avoids trying the wrong door. Next, check the lock for a low battery icon or dirt that blocks the sensor. Clean lightly if needed. Hold the card or phone flat against the reader for 1 to 2 seconds. Listen for the beep and watch for a green light. Once done, pull the handle gently to open. This quick verification prevents repeated failures and door jams. You now move to entering and securing the room. If the door doesn't open, swipe or tap again after pausing 3 to 5 seconds. Many locks need that reset time. Once it unlocks, push the handle in while pulling the door toward you to verify the latch retracts. After entering, slide the deadbolt or latch fully and test the handle from inside so you know it's secure. Then engage the chain or secondary lock for privacy. This two-step lock process, and to finish, follow checkout procedures. Return a physical card or log out of the mobile key as the hotel requires, because unattended active keys can cause access conflicts. Make sure the door fully locks behind you. If you can, test from the hallway by closing and lifting the handle. That confirms the latch engaged. If the lock fails, try re-registering the card or app, replace batteries if indicated, and contact the front desk immediately. Staff can remotely reset access or issue a new key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.